Hi, I'm Dakota, and this is Rosie Riveters. Today we're going to be spending some time learning about sound, then we'll build a project you guys can do at home. So first off, what is sound? Well, sound is air molecules bouncing off each other to create vibrations. But here's another question. How many things vibrating does it take to make a sound wave? Well, it takes 3 vibrating objects to create an audible sound wave. First, the object creating the sound has to vibrate, which then hits the surrounding air molecules, causing those to vibrate. And finally, those vibrating air molecules reach your ear, hit your eardrum, causing it to vibrate and allowing you to hear the sound. We interact with sound and vibrations every day through the radio, being in conversation with someone, and now that it's spring, there are a lot of bees out. Bees are a great example of vibration and sound because of the classic humming sound they create. But how does a bee make this sound? Bees create the humming sound through the same 3-step process we just went over. First, a bee rapidly rotates its wings, which then hits the surrounding air molecules, causing them to vibrate, and the vibrating air molecules hit your eardrum, allowing you to hear the bee humming. Now, how can we see what this looks like? Here's a physical example. Based on the previous knowledge, what is happening in this experiment? Well, the speaker is vibrating, hitting the bowl side and the air molecules in the bowl, causing those air molecules to vibrate, and those vibrating air molecules then hit the cling wrap, making the sugar bounce. This is the same basic concept that applies when the bee is in flight. Now let's make our own bee hummers. Here are the needed materials. You're going to need 1 popsicle stick, 2 cap erasers, 1 3x5 index card, a 16.5-inch long string, a wide rubber band, I used a 1/4 inch wide, and 2 paper clips. Now we're going to make our own bee hummer. So first you're going to take your popsicle stick and your 2 cap erasers and put them on the ends. Then you're going to take your index card and fold it in half, and you can draw on it if you want. This was just a rough sketch. And put the index card over the top of the popsicle stick. Then you're going to take the paper clips and put one on each side to keep the index card in place. Then you're going to tie the string in between the cap eraser and the index card. Actually, I'm going to do it on this side. Make sure you leave a lot so you can have more to spin. And finally, you put on the rubber band. And here's your final bee hummer. Now you get to spin it. But how does this work? Well, the rubber band is vibrating back and forth, and it hits the surrounding air molecules, making them vibrate, and as we said before, the vibrating air molecules reach your ear and hit your eardrum, causing it to vibrate so you can hear it. But could this work without the index card? Why doesn't it work? Well, it does work. It's just not loud enough for us to hear. So it is vibrating against the popsicle stick, and it is hitting the air molecules, but there are not enough air molecules vibrating for us to have our eardrum vibrate. But the card acts as an amplifier, or something that makes it louder. So when you have the card here, if I can get it back on, with the card, the rubber band is vibrating against the card, so you have something bigger to hit more air molecules to make your eardrum vibrate. Thanks, Rosies, and have fun with the bee hummers.